Welcome. In today's video, we're going to walk through how to set a custom sound for your followers and contacts notifications on the X app. If you've ever wanted to instantly know when someone important follows you or reaches out, this quick setup will make it easy to recognize those alerts right away. Let's dive in step by step. First, grab your phone and open your main settings. This is where you'll find all the system options for apps and notifications. Next, scroll down and tap on Apps. This section lists every application installed on your device. From here, find and select the X app. Once you open it, you'll see a variety of options that control how the app works with your phone. Now, tap on Notifications. This area controls all the alerts that the X app can send to you. To make your notifications sound more personal, we need to go a little deeper. Tap on Notification Categories. This is where the app separates different kinds of alerts so you can set them up individually. From the list, locate and tap on Followers and Contacts. This is the category we'll be focusing on, and it controls the notifications you get when someone follows you or when people you know are engaging. Once inside, look for the option that says Sound. Tap on it, and you'll be able to choose from the available tones on your device. You can go with the default ones, or, if your phone allows it, select a custom sound that really stands out. Once you've picked one, simply confirm your choice. That's it. Your followers and contacts notifications on the X app will now play the sound you set, making it easy to recognize them instantly. This quick adjustment makes sure you never miss an important follow or contact notification again. It's a simple step, but it can make your app experience feel much more personalized and efficient. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to explore other notification settings in the X app. You might be surprised at how much you can tailor the experience to really suit your needs. And just like that, you're all set with a customized sound for your followers and contacts notifications.